Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's on everyone's mind, making money online. Cut to a screenshot of a social media platform. With the rise of social media and e-commerce, making money online has never been more accessible. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming and confusing. Cut to a person holding up a sign that says help. That's why in this video, I'm going to break down the different ways you can make money online and help you find the right path for you. Cut to a screenshot of a blog. First up, we have blogging. If you have a passion for writing and a unique perspective to share, starting a blog can be a great way to make money online. You can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Cut to a screenshot of an e-commerce platform. Another option is starting an e-commerce business. This can be done through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. You can sell products that you create or source from other suppliers. Cut to a screenshot of a freelancer website. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or coding, you can offer your services as a freelancer on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. You can work on your own schedule and earn money by completing projects for clients. Cut to a screenshot of a social media platform. Finally, we have social media. If you have a large following on platforms like Instagram or YouTube, you can earn money through sponsored posts or ads. Cut to a person counting money. Now, it's important to keep in mind that making money online takes time, effort, and patience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be a rewarding and lucrative way to earn a living. Cut to a person smiling and holding up a sign that says success. So, find your passion, hone your skills, and don't be afraid to try new things. With determination and hard work, you can make money online and achieve your financial goals. The person from the opening shot smiling and shutting down their computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.